Hey everyone, myself Professor Saurabh Chai and you are watching Law Chalisa for your CA exams. Let's see. A company ABC Limited on 31st March 2023 had a paid up share capital of 1 lakh. In June 2023, ABC Limited issued additional share of rupees 1 lakh, which were fully subscribed, and out of 10,000 shares, 5,000 of these shares were issued to XYZ Private Limited. Company XYZ is the holding company of PQR. Okay, तो XYZ PQR को होल्ड करता है और यहाँ पे क्या हुआ, XYZ ने ABC के शेयर्स भी अक्वायर कर लिए, कोई इश्यू नहीं है. कितने, 5,000. देन क्या हो गया सर, ABC के 20,000 शेयर्स में 5,000 XYZ के पास है, यानी कहना इसे ABC विल बी associate for XYZ. Now PQR Private Limited claims the status of being a subsidiary of ABC Limited as being a subsidiary of its subsidiaries XYZ Limited. सर बिल्कुल नहीं, यहाँ पे क्वेश्चन में जो बात लिखी है एकदम पॉसिबल नहीं है. वाई? बिकॉज सर XYZ की सब्सिडरी PQR है, करेक्ट. अब XYZ ABC में 5,000 शेयर्स होल्ड करते, दैट मींस XYZ की एसोसिएट ABC है. सर PQR ABC की सब्सिडरी कब होती, अगर XYZ के शेयर्स ABC एक्वायर करता, करेक्ट. सो यहाँ पे you have to examine the validity of claim of PQR, state the relationship between ABC and XYZ. So the claim of PQR is wrong because XYZ is the holding company of PQR, but it is not the holding company of ABC. So if XYZ is holding company of PQR and ABC would have been holding company of XYZ, तब फिर क्या होता, PQR would have become the subsidiary of ABC, correct? Yes, but yes, the relationship will exist between XYZ and ABC, that is of associate company. देखिए, so holding company in relation to other company means companies in which such companies are having control over board of director and control over voting power, right? In the instant case, ABC Limited has a paid up share capital of 1 lakh equity shares. In June 2023, ABC Limited issued additional 1 lakh rupees. Total equity share became 2 lakh rupees. No worries. Out of those, 5,000 shares were issued to XYZ Private Limited. Since XYZ Private Limited holds only 25% shares in ABC Limited, does not have the control over one half of the total voting power of ABC Limited. Hence, XYZ Private Limited cannot be considered as a subsidiary company of ABC Limited. Thus, XYZ को ABC का subsidiary नहीं बोल सकते. Correct? Now, XYZ Private Limited is the holding company of PQR Limited by having control over composition of board of directors. And since XYZ Private Limited cannot be termed subsidiary of ABC Limited, PQR cannot be claimed the status of subsidiary of ABC. So PQR अपने आप को ABC का subsidiary नहीं मान सकता. But in terms of our provision, there is relationship between ABC and XYZ, that is of associate company. बराबर? चलो. So that is for this part. See you all in the next part. Bye bye. Take care. जय जिनेंद्र.